Hey guys, Brandon from RC Flyer here, back from my cruise, and all my parts are in for another build. Check it out. Another SCX30 build. Going to be using the Mofo Piranha chassis. I'm going to be using a old original transmission just because I like the plastic versus the metal. Save some money as well. I got 26 millimeter axial shocks. I'm using a Muse receiver, using the Furatech system, the Nanomoto. I'm probably going, these I picked up on Amazon. They're the Klingons. They're pretty nice actually. They're pretty sticky, so that's cool. And then I got these I'm probably going to throw on some truck. It's pretty nice. These are from RC4W. Again, all this I'm going to put overdrive, so 13 tooth in front, 16 in back. And then the wheels I got the new wheels. These I'm probably going to put on this build, and these I'm just going to put for just one of my other trucks over here. So stay tuned. Oh, I also got a very pretty Muse servo. The brass one looks nice. It's going to look nice on this build. Going with Muse axles and also Mofo 6 millimeter extension drive shafts. So yeah, stay tuned for the build. All right, guys, the Piranha build is complete. Came out really nice. Now, before we do a maiden of this, we're going to put it on the weights. We're going to put it on the scales, rather, and see how much she weighs and what the dimensions are. So let's do that. And you should always do it with the battery on as well, just to get the true total weight and how it looks on the scales. Check out that mat I got from Anderson RC. They hooked me up. This thing's awesome. Thanks to Matt and Wes. They do a great job. If you guys are ever in the Carolinas, check them out. They have a full selection of everything you want. So check them out. AndersonRC.com. And yeah, so let's check the weights. See what we're looking at here. All right, guys. Total weight. 252.6 grams from front to rear. We got 58% up front weight to 42 below in the back. Exactly where I want to be. I like the 60-40 front to rear, and perfectly from left to right, 50% each side. That's what you want, guys. Very perfectly balanced setup. We'll see how she does on the rocks. So again, let's take her out for the maiden run. All right, guys, the ProMoto Piranha build is complete. Give you a little look at this gorgeous comp build. Starting with the wheels, using the Klingon generic tires and Amazon, using the Furatech Nano Typhon and motor system, using the Muse receiver, again ProMoto Piranha, Injora links, Injora wheels, Muse front and rear axles with a Muse gold brass servo. Also using the 26 millimeter Injora shocks. So let's get her going for the maiden run. All right, let's start with some normal lines that I like to start with. It does have front overdrive with the 13 tooth gear in front, 16 in the back. I do have these Klingon tires. I haven't used Klingons yet. Hope I like them. They're pretty sticky. Open up a little bit. I am using a stock transmission just because the plastic is a lot quieter than the metal ones you can get. Those brass wheels are just really nice. Go into the little mud pit. And these are 40mm tires, if you're wondering. Perfect size. See if we can get up this section right here. No problem at all. Great articulation. See the downhill capability. Pretty solid there. Side hillet. Over some rock obstacles. See if it'll get up the steep hill. This is iffy. A lot of my cars can't get up this. Some can though. I'm sure this one should be able to get up this. Low center of gravity, it shouldn't have any problems. Well, that's slipping a little. There we go. No bottom out, like it. So come across the canyon here. I'll swing down here. Like this. Oh! That was no good. A little front heavy. Alright, here's the test. Let's see if we can get up the mother of all hills on this track. Only have one car that has made it up this. And we'll see if this can. Starting to have some top heaviness. Needed to connect. Oh, and we got over it. Very nice. Now we're going to see, hopefully the top heaviness won't flip down this hill. We'll see. Oh, yeah, it's a little top heavy. Need some back weight, I think. We'll go up this nice line. There's a sweet line right here. And this has the Mofo axles or drive shafts, and they're 4mm extensions, so a lot wider than stock. Alright, now we're going to try this. See if it has no problem getting up this. Oh. There we go. It should hook up right here. Should. And it doesn't. That's because the drive shaft is getting hooked up on that little right there. That's what it was getting hooked up on and getting stuck. Let me see if I can get better turning radius out of these servo, because I think I can get some more out of it. But again, for a Maiden, it should run pretty good. Now I'm going to go over here and up. No problem. A little slippage, but no problem. We'll go up this time and down the hill. Hopefully we'll see that we don't have any problems flipping over. and we're gonna go up this slide. Shouldn't have any problems getting up this. Shouldn't. Most of my cars can get up this. Wow. That's interesting. Really not digging in with these tires. It'd be interesting to try different tires. I got pin tires that I might use that might work better on this as well, but who knows. Alright, it got up. And here's another good hill obstacle that we can try. Again, I would think that these Klingons would just get up this, but really slippery. Surprising. I really like the look of them. Alright, we're going to go through the gap. And then we're going to go up this hill. I mean, it's been having problems getting up the other hills. I don't know if it's going to be able to get up this one though. This one. Oh, that's nice. I like that. Had no problems getting up that. We take the lower route. Took the higher route last time. Just a nice little obstacle here. Get her back up. We're going to go and hit some real rocks now, see how it performs on the real rocks. There we go. Move this. Alright. So now we got some real rocks to maneuver. See how well it does. I like this line right here. And we're going to just go in the tunnel. Go right in the tunnel. Oh, it flipped. I don't know how I did that. But pick her up, get her going. There it is. Show a nice side crawl right here. See how well she does to hit this gap. Not bad. Then we'll go into the mud pit. She sinks pretty deep. And out. And then we're going to take her up this hill right here. Oh. Get a little off. See if she can get up this. There we go. There we go. Alright. Then we're going to come down here, hopefully without flipping over. Then we're going to hit one more section. We'll flip her around, and we're going to go up this new section I built a few weeks ago. The wood planking stick section. And no problem there. So this thing is just like my other comp build, and it can handle almost everything. Almost everything. The one last thing I'm gonna try. Let's see if I can get down without flipping. Yeah, good. We'll go through the gap again. The articulation. There we go. Let's see how she does to get up this. Not very many can get up this. Try a different line to get up it. And you're going to want to turn right here to get back up. Oh yeah, this truck is very capable. The more she gets broken in, the more she'll be able to do. So again, in the description, guys, let me know what you think of this build. It's a funky looking build. It's not, you know, pretty in any way, shape, or form. But I do like it. It's very comp ready. Very comp ready. I mean, just look at how easy this. Whoa! I was gonna say, like, look at how easy this thing just hits lines. Alright guys, that'll do it. Again, if you like what you see, hit that like and subscribe button until the end. Thanks for watching.